Yo, blood, what you doing in there?
I find your conduct to be rather rude, sir. I do ask that you close the lid, please. I am attempting to take a shit. I have a tree trunk stuck in my ass. I am bleeding heavily from my asshole, and I think I am about to shit my balls. It feels like dead fish are falling from my asshole. Thank you very much, old boy, for your cooperation in this matter. Now if you would kindly close the lid, old boy, I do believe, my good man, that I am about to shit the son of Flipper.
Alright, homie, it's cool, baby brother. I'll close it up.